Hey, Tammy, Brian, Jason, the students just got a gift. Screencastify Premium. Let's see what this is all about. So, students start out like normal and they go to their extensions and add Screencastify, and really they won't notice the difference. So, you're really going to have to tell them about the coolness of this new Screencastify. They'll record like normal. Their videos will go to My Videos just like normal, only they will have unlimited videos and time to record. They'll be able to come in here and click a video. If they don't like it, they will be able to come in and have some editing tools. This is a cool part of the new Screencastify. They'll be able to click this Open in Editor button, and it gives them some editing power over their videos. So they can come to Add Media and add a title page. Let's call this Google Forms. Oops, it looks like it didn't type, but guess what? Let's come over here and increase the size and change this text color. There we go, there it is. Change the text color, increase the size of that title, and we press done. You can come back to it just by creating there. If they made a spelling mistake or something, it's good editing. Okay, they can come through their video. They can add text to the video. If they want to highlight something in the video, they just drag and drop that text once it switches to a hand where it goes. Within the video, they can cut if they want to edit a snippet out. If they want to delete that middle part, just press the delete key and it goes away. They can come through here and come down on the volume. They can turn the volume off so that you can't hear it. You can turn it up a little bit for the recording speed. So they've got some cool options as they come through here. If they come to a text spot that they want to blur out, all they have to do is click on the blur feature and they can come up here and hide information. It's nice that it gives them this opacity change so they can go super blurred or just a little bit blurry, but it's all there in one. Once they get their video set like normal, they're just going to export it to their Google Drive. Give it a title and press save. It is super easy for students after they've edited their video because they can copy the watch page link, and that's going to be a shareable link that they can turn into your Canvas. This has been a fantastic gift for student creation with video.